Hi, today we are making for broth. Put them oxtails and chicken leg inside the pot. Get rid of all this grease. Charring the eyeballs, ups, I meant the onions, hee. It was tiring, so my smart ass came up with new ideas. Wait till they're done, and pay attention, then quickly put them in the pot.
Take the chick out, then cut.
Add some fish sauce for flavor.
Or you can put whatever you like.
Add some more water cause it's dry as hell, see me.
Toast in the spices for about 1 minute. Put the spices inside the filter bag. It came with the package.
Blow.
Put everything inside the pot. And then you mix, and you stir. Blow again. Make your noodles.
Boil some veg.
Put everything together. Bon appetit!